The founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is take your plants and your seeds, put them in the planter, and let them grow your food for you. All you do 565 and 24 inches. That is a world record. Torpedo Pot grows your food when nothing else does. All you do is put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, and they grow your food for you.
Yes, my name is Kwesi, and I'm here to learn new ways of planting. As you can see, I'm enjoying harvesting here.
All you have to do is put your seeds in, or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front, and automatically the water goes through. All you do is put your seeds in and put your plants in, and it grows it for you. All I do is put my seeds and my plants in this torpedo pot, and it grows, and I don't have to grow my food anymore. I don't have to grow my plants anymore. It grows it so well. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedo Pots. There's approximately 30 planters that are growing in each planter 70 pieces. Well, all you do is take your plants and your seeds, put them in the planter, and let them grow your food for you. And in turn, what you end up with, like we have here, are 15,000 pea pods. I'm not finished. I've got more to harvest. I've got 10 more planters to harvest.
You can actually smell. You can actually smell the beans. You can smell that it has some nutrients.
This pot has been designed to grow fungus. A lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in, and it goes to the plant's root system, and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedo Pot. Guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison at torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters. These planters are literally growing my peas without me having to be there. As a matter of fact, I'm going away on vacation, and when I come back, I better see some flowers on these plants. Because Torpedo Pot is a self-growing planter that grows your food. And part of this planter's job is to ensure that you never run out of food. And that's why we grow so much food in such a small space. Torpedo Pot does a great job. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the owner and founder of a company called Torpedo Pot, where we make self-growing planters. I'm so grateful for the help we're getting right now. We have about 15,000 peas that are growing in the background. The young ladies are helping us bag them, collect them, put them together, tag them, so you'll know what you can do within your own environment. Torpedo Pot is a self-growing planter. All you do is drop your seeds in the planter, and it grows your food for you. You do not have to grow your food anymore. And 565 and 24 inches. That is a world record. Torpedo Pot grows your food when nothing else does. All you do is put your seeds in a planter, put your plants in a planter, and they grow your food for you. The whole goal behind the Torpedo Pot, creating the Torpedo Pot, was to allow you and your family to experience the wealth there is and the beauty that there is in growing food. We're going to create a wall of food here. And let me see if we can build it so high that I could disappear. Hey, I'm almost there. Daryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Daryl Addison, torpedopot.com. I got to fix the rest of it too. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.